impact your life. You see, these are more than just positive self-talk you tell yourself in your head every single day. These can help you overcome fears, get past obstacles, hop over roadblocks and all kinds of things stopping you from achieving your dreams and accomplishing your goals. My name is Cameron, aka Young and Official, and today I'm talking to you about, you guessed it, positive affirmations. Yes, you have to use the power of I am. You see, me for example, I have my affirmations written down. So every single morning, every single night, I tell myself, Cameron, Young, you are confident. You are ambitious. You are charismatic. You will one day have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I tell what I want, and I believe it. And my actions follows my belief. Why? Because I believe it to be true. So you may feel funny doing these things at first, but the more you say it, and the more you believe it to be true, your actions will follow. Don't believe me? Just watch. Watch my channel and see what happens in my life. I'm going to grow, become more successful, do more things I want to do because why? I told myself, I believed it, I put action behind the work, and now I am living what I said was going to happen because I believed it. So what is it that you want to do? What is it that you want to accomplish? What is it? Close your eyes and picture the emotions. Feel the emotions you will feel once you accomplish your goal. Once you get your goal finally to happen. Is the crowd cheering for you, cheering your name? Do you have a good sense of pride? What emotions are you feeling since you accomplished these goals? When you say your affirmations, close your eyes, feel those emotions. You can put more faith and belief that they will be true to happen for you. But yeah, my name's Cameron, aka Young and Official. Be sure to like and subscribe for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. So I'm gonna work out because I am strong, therefore I am. Stay inspired, everybody. Peace.